The light of trust, once a beacon guiding us toward the horizon of hope, has dimmed under the weight of broken promises and self-serving ambitions. We find ourselves adrift in a sea of uncertainty, yearning for a leader who not only commands with wisdom but also leads with a heart attuned to the sacred rhythms of truth and justice. As the seasons turn and the earth whispers her eternal songs, there arises a clarion call for a new dawn of leadership, a leadership that is conscious, compassionate, and aligned with the true north of our shared humanity. For it is in becoming conscious leaders that we can rekindle the flame of trust, illuminating a path where shadows of doubt are dispelled by the light of integrity and purpose. A conscious leader is one who does not seek to rule, but to serve, whose power is not wielded through fear, but through the strength of empathy and understanding. Such a leader listens to the silent cries of the oppressed and the humble prayers of the hopeful, weaving their voices into a tapestry of unity and progress. They do not ask, "How can I be great?" but rather, "How can I bring greatness to those I lead?" In the quiet of the night, when the stars gaze down upon us, may we find the courage to look within and discover the leader that sleeps in our own souls. For to follow our true north is to embrace a journey of self-discovery and service, where the compass of our heart points unwaveringly towards love, justice, and the collective good. Let us, therefore, rise to the call. Let us nurture leaders who are gardeners of the human spirit, tending to the seeds of potential within every soul. Let us champion those who lead with humility and wisdom, who understand that true leadership is not a destination, but a journey of continuous growth and renewal.